I'll take some water on it.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm all good.
You okay?
Okay.
It's going on my YouTube, by the
Would you
way.
like me to do that one more time?
On my YouTube.
Yes, yes, really? Viewers. That's so scary. I love doing that. Ow.
No, I'm gonna do it now. Ready? Want to do it, Sage?
Watch this. Watch this. I'll do one like this in a fetal position. That is really disturbing. I'm like escaping over here.
Ow! Now I have a headache. Now I have a headache.
First lip. No, Sage, when you lay down, it makes it better.
Sage, you should do it in like a Lion King position. Can you get me a joke? In a Lion King position. No, I'm making a video, by the way.
What position?
No, Lion King.
That is really disgusting.
It's so funny coughing loud because people like look at you and they're like, I'm okay.
You guys seem like you have like a disease. I want herpes. The throat. Hepatitis is not a good thing.
Josselyn.
Oh God, Sage! Oh, someone's gonna die.
It's like headbanging at the death.
You gotta do the next thing, Sage.
Who does that?
Nick. And no, Seth.
Next one's like that. Having like a dashboard of a doggy on a dashboard. I love you. Happy birthday, Lindsay. Hi.
Ready? No, you have to hear this. That's a burp. Hold on. Right now. Don't make me laugh.
I think puke my brains up. I mean, coughed my brains up, not puke. I think I just coughed my brains up. What did you do? Oh, God. You perfect. Oh, Maddie. Your mouth.
Hey! Mouth.